Namaste friends, welcome to Ankita Nirpaji's YouTube channel. Do subscribe to my channel for regular content on books, writing, vlogs and much more. Do not forget to like and share with your friends. Reading books is my favorite hobby and today I am sharing an evening reading vlog with you all. Let us get started. So this is one of the books that I borrowed from the public library of my locality. It is Maharana Pratap, the hero of Haldighati, written by Kesari Singh. So this is a hardcover. It is historical. The book mainly talks about the Battle of Haldighati, which was fought by Maharana Pratap of Mewar against the Mughal invader Akbar. The book is categorized into 5 parts. First part describes the story of the Battle of Haldighati, a tale retold for the 400th anniversary of the battle. The second part says about the controversies concerning the Battle of Haldighati, describes how different authors have written in different ways regarding the battle or the place, the dates, etc. The third part describes 4 maps depicting the tyranny and the battle with explanatory notes. So there are 4 maps mentioned in various pages. So this is an explanatory to all the maps. But in my book it was not printed actually. The map was missing in the book which I got. Fourth part is the Maharana and the Muse, what the poets have had to say about Pratap. So in this part there are many Marathi and Hindi and also in English poems written about Maharana Pratap. So this has been so you can see in the picture that this has been very helpful for the authors as a source. So that's it. So this is the 4th part, and the 5th part is Anesture, brief notes of introduction about some of the protagonists who took part in the battle. These are the protagonists who helped Maharana in great extent in the battle. So you can see in the picture, this is the last page with the seal of district library and also the seal of our nearest local library. So let's get into the reading. This is the hardcover and so it's somewhat thick, and I have kept a sticky note as bookmark. It is in the evening and I have sat in the veranda to read. Watching till the end to hear the review of this book. Keep changing my positions while reading, so if you also do this, please comment in the comment section below. At first this was a slow read for me because of the words used. Frequently I could find the words which were little difficult to understand, hence it was not an easy read. Going on, I coped up by increasing the speed eventually. The book quality is amazing as it is a hardcover, and the font size is also good and the print is also very nice. The book explains to us how Pratap fought Akbar with all his bravery, intelligence and guerrilla warfare techniques used by him in the battle. The same technique was used by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the future. The book is written along with the evidences which are noted in the history and also with the help of eyewitnesses who also fought the battle and recorded it in writing later. Overall, it was a nice and knowledgeable read, even though I felt quite bored initially. It explains about the happenings of the battle clearly and showcases the real history. While reading this particular book, we can understand that the author, Mr. Kesari Singh, has conducted a lot of research while writing this book and was very thoughtful and researchful. The total number of pages is 186 and a day is quite enough to finish reading this book. And now I have finished reading the book too. Therefore, let's end today's video here. We'll be back with more such interesting videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.